In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat quickly and easily. Whether you want to spice up your PDF designs or customize your documents for professional printing, adding new fonts is a great skill to have in your toolkit. Let's dive in. First off, the journey begins by downloading a font file from your favorite website. Whether you're looking for something elegant or bold, there's a vast world of fonts out there on the web. Websites like Google Fonts, Dafont, or Font Squirrel are excellent starting points, offering a wide variety of typefaces that cater to different design preferences. Go ahead, browse through their collections, and find a font that speaks to you. Once you've made your choice and downloaded the file, it will typically come in a compressed folder, often in formats like .zip or .rr. Next, you need to open the font folder. Since most downloaded font files are compressed, you'll have to extract them. Simply navigate to your Downloads folder, look for the file you recently grabbed, and right-click to select Extract All. This action unpacks the contents, making them accessible and ready for installation on your system. Inside the extracted folder, you'll usually find files with extensions like .ttf or .otf. These are your font files. Now, it's time to double-click the package icon. This step might feel straightforward, but it's essential as it gives you a glimpse of how the font will appear. By double-clicking the icon, a preview window will open, displaying both the typeface and how it will look when printed. This step is especially useful if you've downloaded multiple fonts and you're deciding which one fits best for your work in Adobe Acrobat. Let's move on to installing the font, a crucial step to make it available for your Adobe Acrobat projects. In the preview window, simply find and click the Install button. This process doesn't typically take long. Your computer will quickly integrate the new typeface into its available fonts, making it accessible for any design or document software you're using, including Adobe Acrobat. And there you have it, you have successfully added a font to your Adobe Acrobat. Now, whenever you open a document and wish to use a different font, this newly installed typeface will be among your options. This can drastically enhance the appearance of your PDFs, giving them a unique touch that captures the essence of your message or brand. To summarize, adding fonts to Adobe Acrobat is a simple yet effective way to elevate your documents. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and easy to follow. Experiment with new fonts and let your creativity shine through your PDFs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.